गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। वेलकम टू एवरीडे करंट अफेयर्स। सो चलिए, लेट्स बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which player has won the Purple Cap title in the Indian Premier League 2021? And the answer is Harshal Patel. Some insights. Harshal Patel has won the Purple Cap for taking the highest 32 wickets during the entire IPL tournament. Means हर्षल पाटिल इन्होंने 32 विकेट्स लिए हैं अभी तक IPL tournaments में. That's why he has been awarded as a purple title in the Indian Premier League. Next, when has the World Sight Day 2021 been celebrated recently? It was celebrated on 14 September और इस साल का जो थीम जो था वो था Love Your Eyes. So yeah, the answer is 14th October. Third, on 15th October 2021, DR, where was the APJ Abdul Kalam Inspirational Site inaugurated? And the answer is Vishakhapatnam. Some insights of this. It was inaugurated by Novel Science and Technology Laboratory on the occasion of 90th birthday anniversary of डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम. सो 90th बर्थडे था डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम का और इसीलिए ये विशाखापट्टनम में इसका इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है. Fourth, which global organization has invited India to become its full-time member, and that's Indian Energy Agency, Indian IEA. So it is a Paris-based autonomous intergovernmental organization. Okay. Moving forward, fifth, where was the 13th SAFF Championship 2021 organized from October 1 to 16? And the answer is Malé, and it's in Maldives. Some insights. SAFA. SAFF, its full form is South Asian Football Federation. It was the 13th SAFF Championship 2021 and the event was from 1st to 16th October. Yeah. Moving forward, which country has won the SAFF Championship of 2021 held from October 1st to 16? And the answer is India. Some insights. India defeated Nepal to win the South Asian Football Federation Championship 2021 for the 8th time. It was the 8th time. Okay, and the winner was India. Sixth, who has become the oldest person ever to go into space? And the answer is William Shatner. I guess one more movie is going to come in the coming year or in the coming months where they have been shooting in space. The shooting was going in space and that's closed. In this week only the shooting has been closed and they have been taken down from the space. Yeah, and the actor was like William Shatner. Canadian actor William Shatner has become the oldest person in space history. At the age of 90, he has been in space. Yes, so the answer is William Shatner. Moving forwards, recently who has taken charge as the new Prime Minister of Norway? And the answer is Jonas Gahr Store. Some insights like Norway capital is Oslo, Prime Minister is like Jonas Gahr Store, and the currency which is used in Norway is like Norwegian Foreign. That's we can say in short NOK. Eighth, who has become the new chairman and managing director of National Resource Development Corporation? And the answer is Amit Rastogi. Some insights. Amit Rastogi assumed charge as the chairman and managing director of National Research Development Corporation on 18th October. So it was on 18th October, Amit Rastogi has taken the charge. So this all was from my side, guys. Hope you like the questions. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.